In front of me is Vivo Y16 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. After that, just get this free app from Mad Scientist developer and when it's ready, open it. Now you can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then tap on those three lines at the bottom right one. Over here, click on Settings at the top and choose I accept. Finally, adjust all of those settings however you wish to. And when you're ready, click on the top right corner, then bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply and choose one of those options, in my case home screen only. Then choose Continue in the pop-up and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Lastly, tap on Home button. As you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!